getting more water up in that.
Woohoo!
That felt really good. Get the...
Hey guys, go retrieve the rocket with him. Go retrieve the rocket.